one example. Suppose these are all organs. These organs are just like machines. Brain is like a computer, heart is like a water pump, stomach is like a mixer and grinder. What you eat all is grinded, blended, and then it is digested. Kidney is like a water filter machine. So all this machine run by only spiritual energy, not electrical energy. No any kind of energy can run this body machine. Only spiritual energy can do it. Suppose a man dies, the dead body is there in front of you. You just remove eyes, remove kidney, and transplant into the living body whose organ is not working. The same organ will start working, because our human body organs only run by spiritual energy. So we are all spiritual energy in the light form. With our energy, the organ function properly. But when there is a low voltage due to the negative thoughts pattern, energy reduced and the organ suffers and get diseases. Suppose I give example. Suppose you have the low energy in the stomach. What will happen? Your mixer and grinder will not work. Whatever you eat, that will keep lying there. After a few minutes, it will start decomposing, and you will get lot of acid formation, and you will get a burning sensation here. Then you will swallow the antacid, the chemicals which will further digest your food. Your food supposed to be digested with your own system, your own mixer and grinder. But that mixer and grinder is not working because of the low amount of current going inside your stomach. This all is energy is also passed on through the chakras. We got 7 energy centers in the body. This all energy centers is just like a fuse. When this fuse is not working, the complete blankness is there of the energy. So each system is related to each chakras, each energy centers. Suppose like this crown chakra is related to our endocrinal glands. This Agya chakra is related to our neuro system. The throat chakra is related to ear, nose, ENT system, upper respiratory tract. And the heart chakra is related to blood circulation. The navel chakra is related to digestion. The sacral plexus, the Swadhisthana chakra is related to our immune system, reproductive system, and as well as skin also. And the root chakra is related to our bones and muscles. So all these chakras releases energy into the system, but when the chakras becomes ineffective or due to the low supply or due to our lifestyle, the chakra gets blocked, we are not healed. See, he is having high voltage and he is having low voltage. What is the difference? When the high voltage, his thought pattern is positive, emotion is positive. But the moment he starts becoming angry, what happens? Voltage instantly drops. Okay, when the voltage drops instantly, you lose the energy. You see, the voltage is dropped. Okay, so how voltage is dropped? Because of your thoughts, and I can prove it on the stage. If anyone can come, I'll just prove it. Anyone? Okay, that boy, come. I'll prove it. Okay, how the voltage drops, how energy drops instantly by your thoughts of mind and emotions. Okay, I got the machine also to measure also. Okay, what's your name? Okay. Okay, I'll check his energy level. Okay, just do like this. Okay, make it tight. Okay, I'll lower it. Just don't let it. Okay, I'll just lower it by energy. This is the machine which checks the energy aura also. Just stand here and just see his bioelectromagnetic field. You see, his bioelectromagnetic field is around 7 to 8 feet. Okay. Now, do you get angry sometimes? When did you get got last time angry? 2 days back or 1 day back, 1 week back, you were very angry. Okay. Okay. Just close your eyes and recall that video of what happened 1 week back when you were furious, you were angry. Who was there in front of you? How they behaved? How they behaved? You just recall. Click that video and just recall. Play the mental video. Feel that emotions. And you are really angry. Are you able to feel that? You want to recall? See that easily, vividly. Okay? Okay. Now, you just visualize that incident. Okay, now I'll see this. Now do the same thing. Okay? Put your voice down. Okay? Okay, ready? I'll tell you the one. Okay? What happened? Energy reduced? I'll see. Can I see? Energy reduced? Okay. So what I'm going to say is energy is reduced just by tones. The voltage became down. So whenever you get on the past moment, sad moments, okay. So what happens? Your energy, mental energy is used to see that emotions. Okay. So your mental energy is not transferred into brain. Your mind is using that energy to live all the past moment which is sad. So I can just compare that you are burning a heater here. And when you burn the heater, what happens? The voltage. So this is the proof. Okay. So how to raise the energy? His energy can be raised. Everybody energy can be raised. Okay. Just taking the healing current. Okay. The moment you see the healing current, instantly your energy will be raised. I'll show you. Okay. Okay. What I will do, I will transfer the healing current into the water because you know water is the carrier or conductor of the current. Electric current as well as spiritual energy, spiritual current also. So this is sealed water. Just open it. Okay, we take that water up, some more. Okay, by taking that water, his energy increased or not? Let's see. Okay, again do that. Okay, right now. Okay, ready? Ready? Still not increased. Okay, so I will transfer the healing current through mind into the water and then I will give the water. So, when he is unable to balance. Okay? Now, take this water. Take some more. Okay? So, he has taken just 2 gulps of water. So make you imagine energy level. Okay? Thanks. Last two digits of your mobile number. First row, second row, anybody can tell. I'll just write it down. Anyone? Last two digits of 075307, then 53 next. 3055 60 60, then 95 90 889 90 89 next. 19 then 10 05 35 75 75, then 39 39, then 17 17, then 82 29 double 9 21 8 85 5 5 6 7 6 double 7 next double 0 next double 2 double 0 double 2 next 4 8 5 8 4 8 5 8 next 1 1 2 5 8 1 2 next
1 4
1 4
4 7.
1 4 4 7 no
Okay, enough.
it's enough. Okay, so if I tell you how to memorize all this now, how much time anyone can take? Okay. Okay, fine. So just there is a save button in this computer. I just press that save button. This computer will store its memory by fraction of seconds. Fraction of second. Why our computer cannot do? Because of two reasons. One is voltage is reduced. Okay. And another reason is virus. Virus affecting our computer. What are those viruses? Anger and fear. Anger and fear. This virus is stopping the flow of energy into this computer, brain computer, and our computer immediately shut down. And when the computer shut down, what happens? What is the symptom? You open the fridge and keep looking at the fridge. What for you open it? It goes from one room to another and you forget what for you have come. Sometimes you dial the number, mobile number, and you forget, and you tell who are you. Suddenly there is a blank place. So why it happens? Why it happens? Because we don't pay attention on our thoughts and emotions. Thoughts and emotions. Main is thoughts and emotions, which increases the flow of energy and lower the flow of energy. I told all this. I have just stored in my memory. Okay, it's here now. I can recall all these numbers told by you. Okay, I'll just come here. See, I'll just close my eyes. I'll open my third eye and I'll recall all the numbers told by you. The numbers told by you are 07533055 60959089 19100535 753917822999 21 I recall in the reverse order also. In the reverse orders, the numbers are 7, 4, 4, 1, 4, 1, then 2, 1, 8, 5, 8, 4, 2, 2, 0, 0, 7, 7, 6, 7, 6, 5, 5, 8, 1, 2, 9, 9, 9, 2, 2, 8, 7, 1, 9, 3, 5, 7, 5, 3, 5, 0, then 0, 1, 9, 1, 9, 8, 0, 9, 5, 9, 0, 6, 5, 5, 0, 3, 3, 5, 7, 0. You can ask me any numbers, I can tell the numbers location, preceded or followed by. Any number. 82. Huh? 82. 82. 82 is preceded by 17 followed by 29. Huh? 10 is preceded by 19 followed by 05. 2? 00 is preceded by 7 followed by 22.
Great. Now can we done?
Good question. Very good question.
How can we remember only 5?
So it's all because of low energy, and low energy is not there. That is why you suffer from health and happiness. So I asked the third question, what is the secret of health and happiness? And I saw the vision of the heaven, and the divine asked me that, have you heard any time Lord Krishna is falling sick, Lord Rama fell sick, or there was any hospital in the period of the Lord Krishna and Lord Rama? Was there any yoga guru teaching them yoga and yogasana? They were not doing any joggings. Okay. So they lived young. They lived 150